AI tool we are going to be using right now is Meta AI. So I'm just going to type meta.ai. The name of the AI is meta.ai. Now you can use this on your WhatsApp and you can also use this on the web. Now Meta AI, what I basically use Meta AI for is to, now you can see when you're here it will tell you to log in. So I'm just going to click login and it will ask me login with Facebook or login with Instagram. So I prefer to use Facebook. This will just take a while, but I'll just log in with Facebook and all right. So this is just, I've already clicked put my password and it is just going. All right, so I've logged in already, and the next thing we need to do, like what I like using this Google Meta AI for is I like creating images. So I can just go and just type imagine. To create any image, you type imagine and you just probably imagine a lion, a hen, a an antelope, a fish, and a cat, having breakfast at a five-star restaurant in Dubai. Now, how is this possible that a fish should be having breakfast with a lion and every other thing? But that is what AI is all about. AI is very, very intelligent. Now we can see what AI has done for us. So let's click on it and see how possible it is. So you can see the first one, we can't find any fish here, but we can find the hen. You can see the second one. You can also see the third one. So anything you want, you can just type it on this place and it will give you. You can also type I want to run ads on I want to run ads for a book called NYSC Secrets. Create a compliant create a complete demo ad copy. Understand? So you can see it can also help you write copies. And also all these AI tools are just the same. So let's also go to WhatsApp and just click on this AI, Meta AI. You can also find the app here. But I'm just going to click on this place because I've already done it. You can now type anything here. The same thing you're typing there, you can also type it here. What you can now type, what is my personality type if I am always ready and willing to teach others. You can now just random questions and it does the work for you. Now, why am I giving you all this information? A lot of times you would need all these things when you're a freelancer. As a freelancer, you may probably need all these things. So you can see what it gave me. Extroverted, blah blah blah. You know, can also think blah 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 blah. So what is the name of all this personality type? You understand? Okay, protagonist, consul, advocate, debater. So you can see. So that is that for that. So with that being said, I hope you've gotten value for this. Now, also you can also imagine myself. Imagine a rich a rich black man in the city of Doha buying fish. You can say, what is my own with fish? But just for the sake of this practical. So you can see this image it brought out, a read back buying fish. So you can see, so that is it, and that is that. So with that being said, I want you to practice this by yourself. And the assignment is number one. I want you to create multiple images from your creativity, multiple images, and probably send it to me. So send it to me, send it to discussion group if you have any system of sending it to me. Then I'll also evaluate your creativity from there. With that being said, you can also comment if you got value from this.